Your event is over, but that does not mean your work is finished. Sorry! Take a second to relax, but don't forget why you created your event in the first place, to connect with your event goers. Following up with them is the first step in creating long-lasting relationships. Here are some tips for what to do after your event. First, say thank you and tell them what their support means to you and your organization. You could do this with a personal phone call or a handwritten note. What we usually do is say thank you in an email. We use TicketLeap's email blast feature most often, but sometimes we use MailChimp if we have gathered additional email addresses at the event. Let them know if you plan on doing this event again and if there are other events you're working on. This is also an excellent opportunity to mention your sponsors one last time. Send surveys to everyone to find out what your event goers liked about your event and what to improve on for next time. This could be done with a simple link to a Google form or SurveyMonkey. But if we feel like getting fancy, we like to use Typeform. Did you like my little shimmy?
Yeah, I did like that shimmy.
Think about what you want to find out from your event goers and then just set up questions to get those answers. Some of our favorite questions to ask are, what do you remember most about the event? How comfortable did you feel to ask questions? How relevant were the vendors to you? Was there something you were expecting but did not receive? And finally, send out useful content that sums up the event. Send this content to people that went to your event and also to people in your community that couldn't attend. We have an entire video on event content, but here are a few ideas to get you started. Videos or notes from speakers and discussions. Photos for people to tag themselves in, download and share. A Twitter list of event goers so everyone can keep in touch. Or a blog post you wrote to continue the discussion. This content makes your event feel important to everyone, making more people likely to come to the next one. Meeting people face-to-face is only worth anything if you do something with those connections after the event. Since you've already put in so much hard work with your event, you should do yourself a favor and follow up with them. Isn't that right, Freddie?